Welcome to this video tutorial on how to install the FiroDex app. Let's get started. First, we'll need to download the FiroDex application from the GitHub page. Open your web browser and go to https://github.com/firoorg/firodex-desktop. Once you're on the page, scroll down to the releases section. Look for the latest release and click on it. You'll find a list of assets. For Mac OS, download the file that ends with DMG. For Windows, download the file that ends with exe. And for Linux, the app ends with app image. So I am going to download this one that ends with DMG, which then proceeds to download. It is not a large file, so will be done shortly. Wait some time until successfully downloaded. For the sake of the video length, I will skip the download. It is finally done downloading, so we'll move to the next step. Step 2. Installing FiroDex. After the download is complete, locate the DMG file in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to open. You will see a window with the FiroDex app. Drag and drop the FiroDex icon into your Applications folder to install it. Once it's copied, you can inject the DMG file. Now go to your Applications folder and find the FiroDex app. Double-click it to open. Since it's downloaded from the internet, you might see a warning. Click Open to proceed. Step 3. Setting up a wallet. When you open FiroDex for the first time, you will be prompted to create or restore a wallet. Since we're starting afresh, choose Create Wallet. Next, you will receive a seed phrase. Write this down and store it in a safe place. This seed phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet if needed. You will need to confirm some of the seed phrase numbers to ensure it has been saved like in this video. You will be asked to set a strong password for your wallet. Enter your password and confirm it. It's important to remember this password as it secures your funds. I already have an account, so this is just for a tutorial purpose. Read and accept the terms and conditions, then confirm. Once you are done, you will be required to log in using your password. Click Login and wallet setup is complete. To make trades, you will need to fund your wallet like I did with ZEC. To add ZEC to your wallet, click on Add Crypto, search for ZEC, then select the box and click Enable. You can purchase ZEC from any cryptocurrency exchange that supports it, like Coinbase or Binance. Once you have your ZEC, send it to your wallet address, which you can find in the Receive section of FiroDex. Now that your wallet is funded, let's make a trade. In FiroDex, navigate to the Exchange tab named DEX. You'll see Trading Pairs. To trade ZEC, select the ZEC pair you are interested in. You can see Firo, KMD, BNB, USDC. You can compare the amount to be traded and the amount to be received to know the trading fee. Enter the amount of ZEC you wish to trade. I clicked on maximum here and you will see the estimated amount of Firo you will receive. I will be converting ZEC to Firo. Click on Swap Now. You will be prompted to confirm the transaction. Make sure to review the transaction fees and details carefully before confirming. Wait some time, this might take up to 30 minutes for completion. Once confirmed, your trade will be processed. You can check the status of your trade in the Notifications tab at the top. And that's it. You've successfully installed the FiroDex app, set up your wallet, and made a trade transaction using ZEC cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching and happy trading.